So now guys, we will going to create header for our website. So header will going to show here. Okay. So first of all, header is this top section and footer is this down section. So we have to now customize or we have to create our header and footer. So inside header, we have to create one menu. So the theme which we have installed, it has by default cart, account and wish list and search. So here we can add more menus like home, blog, shop, and there are many. So how you can do that? So it's very easy. You just have to go to appearance. Then from here, just click on menus. So first thing you have to create is menu. So here you can write main menu or you can say primary menu. Main menu or you can say even primary menu. Then click on create menu from this button. Just click here on create menu. So we have created our primary menu or main menu. So we have to first of all select this as a primary menu. So you can see here it is written add a primary menu. So from here you guys can see we have display location as primary menu. So just select this option. So now whatever you will going to put here, it will going to display at top. For example, here you can see we have most pages. So just click on view all. So from here just select home, blogs, contact, scroll down, shop and track order. Then just click on add to menu. So now you can even make it up and down. For example, if you want that contact to go here and if you want the shop to go to second, then you can do this just by doing drag and drop and then click on save menu. Just go to your website and just refresh your website. Now you will see the primary menus here. You can see home, shop, blog, contact and track order. So if you will click on shop, you will see all the shop will going to show up here. We will also customize it. Do not worry right now. Then just click on blogs. So friends, from this section, whatever blog you will going to publish, it will going to show here. From contact, you will go to contact page, which you have just now created, which is this one. Amazing. Then track order, which you have created right now. So this is your track order page. If you will click on home, after you will click on home, you will again going to come to your main home page. You can also customize your logo. We will teach you how you can do that at later. Okay. So this is how you have created one menu and completed your header section. So now friends, we have to create our footer. So you can see the footer here, but before we create footer, we first have to select the footer settings. So first of all, just click on this customize button. You will see at top, just click on customize, then just go to layout, then go to this footer section, and from widget column right now it is selected to 0. So that's the reason here you will not going to see any footer. So you have to make it to 4. You can also make it to 3. It's totally up to you. Now if you will scroll down, you can see you will going to get the footer option. You can also make it to 3, 5, whatever you want, you can make it. But right now I will only go for 3 or make it to 4. Okay, so we will work with 4 footer. Okay, so I will teach you how you can do that. Then just click on publish, then click on this cross button. Just refresh your website once and then you guys can see now you can create footers here. Okay, so it's super simple. I will teach you how you can do this. So to do this, you just have to go to appearance again and then click on menus. Now you just need to click on this create a new menu. Okay, so just click here and in menu name write footer 1 and make sure you do not select any option. Just click on create menu. Then in footer 1, just click on view all. Here you guys can show home, blogs, about us, contact again and my account. Then click on add to menu. Then just click on save menu. Again just click on create a new menu from top. We have to create one more footer. You can name it as footer 2. Click on create menu. Just follow the steps which I will going to tell you. Okay, after you will do this and from view all you can select now, let's say shop, track order, wish list or whatever you guys want to show, you can put it from here. Then click on add to menu. Okay, so you have selected this. Now you can also remove this if you guys want to. Okay, then just click on save menu. So you have created 2 footer for your website. Now I will teach you how you can put it inside your website. So to do this, you first have to go to appearance. Then you will see one option of widgets. Just click here. When you will come here, you will see one option of custom HTML. Just scroll this up and you will have to select footer widget and then click on add widget. So one custom HTML has been added here. Okay, now friends, I have provided you one file. You just need to open this file and here you will find one footer about. Just open it and you will find this txt file. Just copy it completely like this, then just paste it here. Now click on save and then click on done. Now just refresh your website. Now scroll up. Now you guys can see you have added this social icons, your brand name, your business description. So even you can customize it. Just go to widgets, just click on this custom HTML and here you can see right now it is Mustafi. You can write your name. For example, I can write being commerce, anything like this. You can even edit this paragraph from here. So whatever you guys want to, you can add here. Right now you can see it is written. You can easily edit this paragraph, blah blah blah. So it is showing here. You can easily edit this paragraph. So whatever changes you guys want from here, you can do this. Then when you will scroll down, you guys will going to see we have different links of Facebook, which is this one, Twitter link. So here you guys can even provide your social media link. Okay, so just paste your link here and then you guys are ready to go. Super simple. Like my Facebook page is facebook.beingcommerce.com/beingcommerceofficial. So now you can see this is my URL. So you just have to copy the back of your URL like this. Then here you can see this Postify. Instead of this, paste your URL, that is Being Commerce Official. So now it has become your link. Similarly, you have to do with Twitter, Pinterest and YouTube, whatever you have. Then click on save, then click on done. Now just refresh your website. Now friends, you can see my brand name is added, description, your logo. So this is how you can customize from here. So similarly, you guys can customize from here. Okay. Now you guys will going to see we have one more option of navigational menu. Just select this, select footer widget, click on add widget. From here title you can write quick link like this. Select footer 1 and then click on save. Then click on done. Similarly again, just select navigational menu, click on footer widget, click on add widget. From here you can select footer 2 and name it extras or whatever you guys want to. Then click on save. Then click on done. Now refresh your website. So now you guys can see we have added quick links and extras. Don't worry, we will further customize it. We can change colors and everything. But right now we are just putting the structure of our footer. So you have created 3 footer. We can add one more. Again, just go to your WordPress website. So we have to add one more. So how you can do that? Just first of all go to contact. Click on contact forms. Now we can add one newsletter form in our website. So people can subscribe you. So when they will subscribe, you will get their email address and you can send various offers to your potential customers. Now friends, you will see this contact form one. Just click on edit. And in case if you guys don't see any of these, just click on this add new. Okay, from here, no problem. Then friends, from here you just have to remove each and everything. Just remove it. Now friends, we have provided you one more file, that is footer subscribe. Just open this, copy the total code which we have offered you here. Just copy it and paste the code here. Then click on save. Friends, now you will see this code. You just have to copy this complete code. Copy it. After you will copy it, just again go to appearance, then click on widgets. Then friends, here you guys will going to see we have one text option. Just select this, select footer widget, click on add widget, scroll up. Here you can write the title newsletter. Here you can write whatever you want. So here you can say I've written this. Then just click on enter and now paste the shortcode which you have just copied. Then click on save. Then click on done and refresh your website. Now friends, you guys can see we have this newsletter, we have this text and we have this subscribe form. So people can put their email address and they can subscribe. You will get their email address and then you can send them various offers so that they can purchase it. So this is a part of email marketing. I have already created 2 courses, that is MailChimp email marketing automation. Along with that, I have also created one more Mautic email marketing course. I will suggest you guys to take any of the course and learn about email marketing. I have provided the course links in bonus section of this course. You can check out those 2 courses of email marketing and learn everything about email marketing. This will help you to generate sales with the help of emails. I will suggest you guys to take Mautic email marketing course. As I said again, I have provided those 2 courses link in bonus section. You can check out there. So friends, we have created our footer. Don't worry, we will further customize the design and everything. Okay, so it is super simple to create any footer for your website.